guys, we're back in the shop. It's been a while since I posted. Hurricane Ian came through here a couple months ago. Been kind of busy since then. Thankfully our house is okay and everything, but we got the LSA build finished up. It's done. A couple other odds and ends I need to do around the car, but can't wait to show you this. All right, here it is. LSA is done. Let's just hope this old cop car holds together. This is an Amazon deal that I made myself for the intake, K&N air filter, just to kind of get me going and driving. Smaller grip tech pulley, 2.45, Amazon catch can. I even got a video on how to plumb that. So far everything's working good. You know, shut the hood the very first time, put a little dent in it, but it's not leaking. Had to take off a latch up here, the little plastic latch. You just have to reach through the grill and hit this with your finger. She's making about 10 or 11 psi. I haven't really got into it yet, just kind of just getting the feel out for it. I'm not sure about the transmission. I don't want to completely spill its guts on the first few drives, so I'm kind of easing in on that. But so far so good. Cold AC and hood shuts. I did have to trim it a little bit, a couple spots, but man, this thing's cool. Let's start it up. I'll let you hear it. Alright, got some good oil pressure. See, the boost gauge is pulling vacuum. See the long tube headers down there. Went ahead and tried some of that water wetter stuff in there. See if it does anything. Opted for the factory mufflers for now. I mean, you could hear how whisper quiet this thing is. So it's missing the front cats. But we got the rest of the resonators and the factory mufflers on there. Long tube headers. What's cool about it being kind of quiet like this is when you really get into it, you can hear the blower whine like a lot, which I kind of like that more than I do the loud popping exhaust. Plus, if I drive this thing to work, you know, 5:30 in the morning, it's not making the neighborhood mad, at least for now. We might get some loud pipes on it later, but I'm sticking right now with the stealth mode. Could sneak up on some people even with this. So I ended up buying this on Facebook Marketplace pretty cheap, and I got in touch with a guy named Charles Barber. Got recommended to him through someone else on the Facebook page for these cars, and so far it's doing pretty good. I'd like to get it on the dyno eventually, but the dyno I had scheduled for November is closed to the public because of Hurricane Ian. So down the road, we'll see what numbers it puts down. We just finished installing this center console, and man, that's a night and day difference. Super easy to install. It's like 4 bolts and a couple standoffs, and transform the inside of this car. I didn't have to take apart the dash or anything, but that's next on the list because I'm getting the radio silver box sent off for unlocking, so I can use the Bluetooth and all that stuff. Really dirty, but I just took it out of the shop. But these are the G8 back seats that I found. Actually, LKQ had those pretty cheap, but there's some little bit of stains on the other side. Yeah, she's dirty. I need to wash her up now, but when I show people the car, they can't hardly tell it was a cop car. You changed the wheels out, got rid of that spotlight, and hardly anyone even knows what it is. But definitely doesn't look like a cop car anymore.